Today we shall learn about the poem Keeping Quiet, class 12th English. That is composed by W. Neruda, whose real name was Naphtali Riccardo, who was a Chilean poet, born in 1904 and died in 1973. The poet was a Nobel laureate who won the Nobel Prize for Poetry in 1971. In fact, the title of the poem, Keeping Quiet, suggests itself that the poet is appealing to the people of the world to keep quiet and to make an introspection. The objective of the poem is very much clear. Importance of self-introspection and mutual understanding among the people. The poet was actually the two world wars, and after that the Cold War between among the countries that made the poet to think about the introspection and to create an atmosphere of the peacefulness. Here in the very first stanza the poet says, now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still from once on the face of the earth, let us not speak in any language. The poet appeals, let us count 1 to 12. After counting 1 to 12, all the people, they will keep silent. Every people will stop talking, whether living in any of the country and on any continent. Nobody will speak. And what will happen because of that? That will create a strange sort of an atmosphere in the universe. Then the poet in the second sentence says, it would be an exotic moment without us, no angels and strange togetherness. When all the people will be silent, there will be no activity on the earth. When all sorts of the activities will be stopped, it will be a kind of exotic moment. A strange sort of ecstasy will be there. And because of the calmness on the earth, the moment will be known as exotic moment. There will be no rush, no hurry. All sorts of machines will stop working. And a strange sort of togetherness will be felt by the people of the world. The poet appeals in the third stanza that the fishermen who are catching fish in the cold seas, they will stop harming the whales. The people who are working the work of salt gathering, they would also stop collecting the salt and they would look at their injured hands. They would look at their injured hands. Means once again the poet appeals to stop every sort of activity and to make an introspection. The poet appeals to think, who are we, from where we have come, and in which direction we are leading to. In the stanza number 4, the poet appeals to stop every sort of wars, whether it is green wars, gaseous wars, or the wars with a full of fire, any sort of nuclear or the fatal weapons that we are using, nuclear weapons. Every sort of the wars should be stopped. Where if these sort of wars will continue, no will survive on the planet. Let us come by stopping all sorts of wars. Come in clean clothes. After making a good decision, stop wars. Put on the good clothes. Come out. Every citizen of the world come out and to make an introspection. In stanza number 5, what does the poet say? What I want should not be confused with the total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. The poet appeals. What I am saying to you, I am not advocating complete inactivity, because inactivity is equal to death. I just want to say, what is life? Life is the name of progressing. Life is the name of continuity. So, I what I want to give you the message, it must not be taken into the confusion that I am not advocating complete inactivity. No. The poet in the very next stanza number 6 says, single-mindedness took insight and analyze. He is saying every people on the planet come outside, they make a same sort of thought, and we should think that total inactivity should not be there. We should work together, but we must think to which direction we are progressing, and the way of progress should be of such type where all sorts of creatures on the planet should get a chance of living happily. And in the final sentence, what does the poet say? Perhaps the earth can teach us to survive, so let us count 1 to 12. The poet says, the earth in itself keeps rotating. During the winter season, we see that the loss of the vegetation is there, but as soon as the earth gets rain, once again the seeds that are dug into the earth, they sprout out, and we see a new life on the earth. So finally, once again the poet says, let us count 1 to 12 and let us make an introspection that we should stop every sort of activity on the earth, every sort of language should be stopped, every sort of machines should be stopped, every sort of war should be stopped, every activity should be stopped, but life should keep continue. We shall just make an introspection during that stoppage, during that pause. We shall make an introspection about the life, what is the meaning of the life, to which direction we should progress, and what should be the ways that lead us to coexistence, mutual understanding. That will be the purpose of the keeping quiet. So that is a very beautiful poem by the poet Pablo Neruda. So hope you understood very well. Thank you very much. Thank you.